All right, so now we're going to get into the first pass. But before we get into that first pass, you want to make sure that you clean up any hairs outside of your outline. Now that this side has sat and occluded for about 5 to 10 minutes as you worked on the opposite side, you want to go back in and see your lining stand out. I know in the previous video you really couldn't see the ink that well, but look at how clearly it's appearing now in this video. That's because during the process the skin develops. Remember that when you're shading and when you're going through, the skin will continuously develop. The pigment will continuously develop. So after the pigment developed, I'm now going in with my 1RL needle, and I am stretching the skin with my 3-point stretch from the bottom of the lid and 2 from the top of the lid. And I am going in very, very light. Okay, and you want to be very careful. It's pretty forgiving if you just go outside your line maybe one little time, but if you go over that mistake multiple times, then you're likely to create a permanent effect. So just, you see in the little areas where even I, very skilled, I went over it too much, I said, you know what, I'm not going to keep going over this because it can become easy for me to make a mistake. So it's best to wipe that brow off and start over, where you can actually really see what it is that you're doing and what it is that you want to create. So now I wipe this off, and I am going to actually go in with the numb on this client. Why am I doing this? Because I just want to ensure that this client is in comfort. She is very sensitive to pain, and so that clear liquid there is my ultra duration. I'm going to use a precision stick, multi-uses here. You can also use a lip gloss stick to then numb that client and ensure that she is really saturated with the numb, so that way on the next pass, when we really want to take our time and get the pigment in really good, she is free of a lot of pain and able to move forward with the process with ease. But I highly recommend numbing your client really good from the jump. And then you get your saran wrap and you occlude it, and that is how you ensure that the skin continues to develop the color and the numb is sitting in really deep, sinking all the way into her skin.